Hi, welcome to day 4. 4?
No, it's day 5.
Is it day 5?
Don't let Isaiah be right now.
Yeah, yes. Day 5.
So we are in Dallas, and the theme of this whole trip seems to be art. We keep running into art. It seems there's art everywhere. I mean, there's a lot of art in Las Vegas too, right?
Yeah.
So we're gonna go see some art in random Dallas areas, and then we're also going to see all the JFK things, like where he was shot, the memorial. Now, what's the weather like today, Naiya? 37, mostly sunny. High of 39, low of 80. We found the big eyeball. Where is it? Here it is. There it is. We found the cattle. Here is the cattle. And this area is called, what is it called, Naiya? Where are we? Pioneer Plaza. We're gonna go follow the cattle all the way up. There is a lot. Look. There's Isaiah, always dancing somewhere. So, do you see all the cattle, Isaiah? You see all the cows? Right? No, that's not really safe. Ask your dad. That's something your dad would do. How cool. Very cool. Very, very cool. So funny. We play with Isaiah's clay all the time. Can't even make like a little house. But then you have people that can make this whole installation of cattle. I just love seeing people do things that they're amazing at. We gotta give people their props. So let's continue. Why? Is it like just a random eyeball that we went to?
In 1994, the Texas Trees Foundation dedicated Pioneer Plaza to the city of Dallas, providing a focal point in historical significance for downtown Dallas. The plaza commemorates Dallas's beginnings by celebrating the trails that brought settlers to Dallas.
Got it. Love that for us. Oh, there is a cemetery over there also. We're gonna find out who's over there. Okay, so another thing that I like are cemeteries. Not in a morbid way, but it's just, again, I find everything interesting, and cemeteries are interesting because all these people had a story that is probably very fascinating. So we're just gonna look at one. Let's see, let's find this one. This is a big one right here. James Martin Patterson. So this guy was pretty cool. Amongst other things, he was the Chief Justice of Dallas County, and during his time, he built roads, bridges, signposts, got the city out of debt, and just overall did his thing. Here's Rosa Parks. She is by the bus station. By the bus station. Rosa Parks Plaza. I don't think I have to go into who is Rosa Parks, but just in case, she made a difference by saying I am staying in the front of the bus. Okay, so this is, I forget what the name of the mural is, but it is for the anxiety-filled creative process. So there's a conductor in the middle, and then there's all the creators around him trying to, like, I guess, work on that process. I'm sorry, I'm not explaining it right. I'm not giving it any right justice, but Google it. Google it. I'm not Google. Okay, everybody. So, pop quiz. What happened on November 22nd of 1963? I'll wait.
Troy Cartwright won.
John F. Kennedy was shot. Who has Isaiah's hand?
He refused to hold my hand, so we are no more.
Come on, hurry, out of the street, out of the street. Now we're going to the memorial, which is different from the location in which he got shot. Let's go into the memorial first. Good job. All right, get in there. Daddy, get in there.
I'm tired of my
Park and everything. Like that cool girl always. Okay, so we made it to what I think is the Grassy Knoll area of where I don't know if it was a video that was shot. You know, I've seen so many documentaries about this situation that you would think that I know. And yet still, I don't remember. My history is rough. But we are here. And stood on top of this pedestal properly called the plinth with his receptionist standing behind to study him. He was the only photographer known to have filmed the entire assassination. He took it from here.
Yeah, standing behind pedestal.
Yeah.
Where's the pedestal?
I'm not sure if this is the pedestal.
This is the pedestal. He's standing right here.
Somewhere over here. He took the video of the whole thing. So I'm guessing, so the car was going this way. Crazy, crazy, crazy. I love seeing things like this. I mean, I don't love that the president got killed, but you know, we should know our history, right?
We should know.
We should know a little bit about history. Now let's look at this building. This building is pretty cool too. That is called like the Old Red Museum, something like that.